Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. We are meeting very first
How
time.
are
So
you?
please, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Poonam. I am from Delhi. I have done B.Ed. Now I am a mother of a daughter. I am a housewife and I am working on my communication skills. That's pretty much about me.
Nice. Okay, what you have done? B.Ed. B.Ed,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yeah. With English literature.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Not.
Okay, so what is your specific
I
subject?
have done with commerce subject.
With
I have
commerce.
done with commerce subject.
Okay, okay, nice, nice.
Yes.
And if I talk about myself, my name is Monica, as you know that, and I am from Gwalior, MP. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done MA and B.Ed with English Literature and SST. And extra qualifications are there. I have cleared CTET examination, which is very necessary regarding teaching field, you know. Yeah. And
Yes.
nowadays I am working on my YouTube channel as well as for communication skills, enhancing my communication skills and so far I have been working on my communication skills since last 1 year. In 2025, I have started my journey and it is working on present time. That's all about me. Thanks for asking. Yeah,
Okay.
let
Glad to
me
hear
know.
you, ma'am.
Let me know about some your hobbies. What would you like to do in your spare of time? Yes.
In my spare time, I spend the time with me, and nowadays I love talking to people, diverse background of the people.
Which type of people do you love to conversation with? Do you love to communicate in your field
I
only?
want to
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
I
Continue.
want to communicate with the people to improve my communication skills.
Okay. So
That's why
how
I
have you
have
been?
immersed myself to diverse background of the people.
Okay. Right. So how have you been journey so far in your English English journey?
Journey is going on smoothly, and what about it is going on?
Just wait, just okay, continue. So how far your learning journey is going on and till in present time, in which type of things you are working presently? Tell me something.
Okay. These days, I am talking diverse background of the people, and I am working on my communication skills. When I get the mail to someone, so I will give the chance to other person talk with me. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, nice. So you have your own channel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel name is Run to Learn English.
Run to learn English. Okay,
Learn
run,
English.
RUN,
Yes.
right? Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, how far have you been started your YouTube channel and what is the purpose behind of it? Tell me.
Okay. I have started my YouTube channel 2 May 2024 for learning purpose. But now I have changed my mind. I am learning as well as I am helping to those people who really want to speak in English. There are many people, they are not aware of this language. This language has a lot of power, but we need to aware it. So I want to help people who really want to speak in English, who really want to upskill their level of speaking English.
Right. It is a very good effort, and I am very appreciated you. Your work are very appreciable. You wants to help those people who are started your learning journey right now. And it is very good effort. Keep it up, dear. And
Thank you
nowadays we
so
are
much for your precious word.
Thank you. Thank you. It's my pleasure. And do you know, nowadays people are eager. People are very, very eager to do this language, to learning this language. But most of the time, they
Yes,
have no opportunities. They have no good environment of learning, and many of them are very good influencing. They can speak very well, and public speaking is also good. But some learner are the beginners which want to English, but they have no background, no environment. That is why they are very behind of learning English. And this is our second language also. So I want to say that uh, whenever the situation is, but you have to start learning, because there is no
yes,
any particular time, there is no perfect time will come in your life when you get started. But I would say,
yes,
I this is my suggestion for the beginners who wants to learn English. They just start your learning journey from today, because time and tide wait for none. If we want to achieve our goal,
yes,
at present time we
yes,
are in working, na, but we have to go forward and move forward in our learning journey. So this is very necessary. And every field, whether it is
actually,
IT, yeah, IT field, where now you can go anywhere, this language very necessary to learn for everyone, I would say. So what do you think about learning journey? Tell me. Yeah.
yes. As you mentioned that many people say that they don't have environment and they don't have resources of learning the language. So, in my opinion, I don't think people don't have environment, people don't have resources. If any person has mobile, if somebody has lot of resources, mobile, okay, if you have mobile, after that you are giving the excuses, I don't have environment, I don't have people. So I would say mistakes are you are doing the mistake with yourself. Stop giving the excuses. If you don't have anyone, talk with yourself. No one, no one with you, don't worry, you have you. You are the only person you can improve yourself. You are the only person
Right.
you can change your. Speak comes from speak. Many people say that I don't have environment, I don't have people. You will have to surround yourself of English. Until unless you will not take the initiative of speaking English, so how you will improve yourself?
Because initially stage, people get afraid, lots of time they get nervous to express their views. They can't express their views on the public, in front of others, in front of the public. But I would say, if we learn, if we practice daily 25 minutes at least, it is enough for our learning. And
Yes,
I am on cloud nine today. My old friend came my house, and she told me that, Monica, your channel is growing very nice. What are you doing for your channel? So I replied her, it is my it is my practice, and it is my hard working for the behind of my channel.
hard
And
work.
I actually I started
Yes,
my
yes.
own channel also for last previous 3 months. In the month of October 2025, I started my channel. And before that, I am working anywhere in a private school, and now I am also working in a private school. But whenever I get time, 1 hours or 2 hours, I will love to communicate people, different YouTubers, different crow learners. So this is my extra work, this is my part-time job. Yes, so this is my hobby, also you can say. So I also suggest the audience and new beginners that you should also start your journey from today onwards, because is not time never comes perfectly. And you should, if you are eager, if
Yes.
you are passionate to learn English, if you are passionate, so you should do, you have to do. Okay, Poonam, I have some questions for you. Shall we discuss on this
Yes, sure.
platform? Yeah. Okay, so
Yes.
these questions are related to the imaginations. Okay, these questions, first of all, I would like to tell you imaginations. In the imaginations questions, when you reply me, so you should start your answer from would be, or if it is necessary, were. Hmm? It is the imaginative question. That's why I am telling you, whenever you getting me answer, you should start your answer from would be or could be, like this. Okay, because imagination, we imaginate only ki what thing is this, what I am going to tell you, and what is the question depends on the questions. Okay, so can we start?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I will give you 100%. I will try my level best.
Yeah, that is the spirit. Very good. So, my first question is, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go? If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Go to that place. So, how much would you like to that place, while traveling? This is my question. Yes, tell me.
If I could go to travel, if I could go to travel, so I would like to go Kedarnath.
Very nice. So, tell me
Yes.
something
I
about
have
Kedar.
dreamed because I want to see the place, how much is divine there. I'm not fond of traveling too much, but there are many spiritual places I really fond of to travel. So I want to see the nature there, and I want to say what is the divine there, because there are mm, many Jyotirling there. Okay, so that place of the Shiva, Lord Shiva. So
Right.
there are many tourists go there and they connect with the vibe. So there are many things there.
But nowadays, every pilgrimage becomes a picnic spot. Do you know? In Kedarnath,
Yes,
last 3 years ago, okay, if you remember, there was a disaster there, because there became actually occurred a disaster there in Kedarnath. If you are, yes, very good. If you are aware of that disaster in Kedarnath, so many people are actually crushed on the path when they were returning from Kedarnath, because many people like feel to go there as a picnic spot. Okay, so this is wrong, totally
yes,
wrong in my eyes,
yes,
because this is the pilgrimage, and you didn't go that place by the purpose of picnic, by the purpose of
yes.
any
It
entertainment.
depend on person to person mentality. It depend on the mentality.
Yes, of course, I agree,
Ma'am,
because
I have to,
nowadays,
ma'am, I
yeah.
have to take pause. Ma'am, I want to hold for some minutes.
Okay,
Can I
okay.
hold?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello. Sorry, ma'am, for interrupt you. Sorry
This
for
is
that
the only
trouble.
40 minutes Zoom meeting. Actually, I have only 15 minutes for finishing this video, na? So, hello.
Hello.
Well,
Yes, ma'am.
Poonam, actually, there are only 15 minutes are left for finishing our session. So please keep hurry up and we continue. Only
Okay.
15 minutes are left
Okay, okay.
because Zoom meeting has only 40 minutes. It is the
Okay,
time
okay.
limitation on Zoom meeting. Okay, my next question
Okay, I
is,
got it.
if today was your last day of vacation, suppose you are enjoying your vacations last 2 months, and today was your last day of finishing your vacation, so how would you spend it, the last day of your vacation? Tell me.
I
Yes.
would spend the last day of vacation with happiness and joy, and first of all, gratitude.
Yes. So, which kind of activity would you like to do on that on the last vacation day? Which kind of activity do you like to do?
Out there, I would explore I would explore that place. What is the weather? What is the greenery? What is the ocean? So, what is the spark of that place? So, I would like to enjoy that place most.
Nice, very nice. Next question is, what is one habit you want to change in yourself? In your daily routine, or whatever is there, tell me your one habit that is your weakness and you wants to become strength on that. So tell me one your
Okay.
weakness and one strength, please.
I want to change my one habit. I all of sudden, I don't know why I started to panicking. I don't know why it's happened with me. So I want to take pause. I want to change my mindset. If I will do the work with calm mind, calm mindset, so it would be easy for you to do my work in creative way. If I will be rushed with mind, if I will take a lot of stress, so I will not do my work in proper way. So I want to change the habit of stop panicking with myself.
Okay, and what is your strength? Tell me one strength of your life.
My
When
okay,
you have
my
panic, when you are in a bad mood, okay, so your strength, working on that, your weakness. So tell me your one strength.
my strength is I have a positive attitude to my work toward my work and goal. If I am giving if I am giving the work, if I am doing any work to my task, okay, so I want to give my 100% to my work. So this is my strength. I have positive attitude. When negative thoughts come in my mind, so all of a sudden I shift my mind. No, I have believe in myself. I will do this work with 100%.
Very good. And I would say everybody has its own weakness and own strength. If we have some weaknesses, rather than we have some strength also. Because if we are
Ma'am,
working
I
on
really
the
would like to know about your weakness.
yeah,
I really would like to know about your weakness and strength.
yes, of course, I would love to express my weakness and my strength also. First of all, I would say about my weakness. When in a day when I didn't get any session, so I feel get tired, get something like na dull, and if
Likewise,
yeah, yeah, and
likewise.
whenever
If I
I
attend the
get
session, I feel energetic.
energetic, feel energetic when we do something productive, because they will be productive when you do something important, do something informative, something meaningful, because especially women life always revolves around the household work, you know. Are you agree with my
I
point?
understood.
Hmm. So
Yes, ma'am.
I
I
would
totally
like to
I
I
agree.
would like to make my day, every day will be productive, will be informative and meaningful, me and others also. And if I talk about my strength is myself. Actually, I am self-motivated person always. I didn't compare myself to anyone else. No, this is my strength. I always do my work, my pace and pause, and I never compare this people is good, this people is very fluent in English than me. No, because I am learning gradually, and I am learning enough resources to learn. And why our mind, why our mentality, why our mindset us, why our goals, we are learning, because everybody has their own pace and pause. Everybody learned why their conditions, why their problems.
Everybody has their own strength.
Yeah,
Everybody has their own strength,
yeah,
own capability.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
You had
So
different kind of power mindset. Other person had different kind of power mindset. So, ma'am, I really would like to know how did you learn the language from scratch? How you started
how
to speak in English?
Okay. I have been started my journey, as I told you, last 1 year ago in 2025, and I am working slowly and gradually. And sometime I skip to upload video, because whenever I feel exhausted and don't in a good mood, so I didn't upload my video on my channel. So. But gradually I will be continue in 2000. After getting married in 2018, I actually, before getting married, I taught in a private school since 2014 to 2017. 6 or 7 years I taught. But after getting married in 2018, I started my journey again. And since 2019, I am learning continuously. I am learning. I get passed CTET examination. I get passed 2 or 3 government examination also for the post of PGT and TGT. But it is unfortunate. Unfortunately, I didn't get government job. And um, by the way, government job is also my passion, and also becomes a dream that will not become true, because there is so much hard work and so much we have to study 12 hours or 8 or 12 hours enough for the government
Yes.
job, because there are too much hard work. So that's why I have to quit. I have my joint family, I have 2 kids, so many responsibilities on my shoulders. So that's why I have to quit the government job criteria. But now I am working as a private school assistant teacher in KVS schools, and I am very passionate to learn this language. Beside my work, continuously I am learning, and I am very enjoying my journey, and I am very satisfied with my learning and with my job also. I love myself.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. Happy to hear you. So, ma'am, I want to know what is your school time? How do you manage everything? YouTube channel, do you do
Yeah, yeah.
job? So how do
Yeah,
you manage
actually,
everything?
everybody wants to have query to me. How could you manage your both things? So I would like to tell you, first of all, morning time is also school time for my kids also. So in the same school I am working, and the same school my job is all my both kids are studying at present, and in KBS same school. And on the other hand, if Saturday Sunday is the weekend time for me, there is a half day of my school. So when I was returning from school, so I have yes, yes. दे रहे so I am quite exhausted. So whenever I get time, like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I am doing and I am uploading a little bit shorts, like small videos regarding English speaking and grammar stuff, not the long video. I am going I have to
Short
go
video.
short videos, not long videos like face to face or interaction. And whenever I get so much time, and so I love to connect different people like you. So this is my routine.
So, ma'am, how many conversational videos you upload in a week?
In a week, actually don't regular basis. I upload my videos alternative days, like today I am uploading, after next day I am not uploading because I have no session, and I have very busy schedules since morning. After coming school, I am exhausted, and little bit 2 hours I have to get rest with my kids and me. After
Yes,
that,
yes.
whenever I free, 8 or 8:30 or 9 p.m., I will go with short videos. Bas, nothing, nothing than
Okay.
that, because my schedule, my daily routine is very exhausted or very busy, you know. That's
Actually, people should learn from you because you are inspirational for many girl and women. So we should learn from you many things. And actually, I have learned many things from you. So you are doing commendable job. You are up to the mark.
Yes, yes, definitely. And thank you so much for this appreciable words, Poonam, because I would say all the women of the homemakers also, you should do in your life,
You
because
for
there is
yourself.
yeah, there is no time. All the household work you are doing nicely, but I would say 1 hour or two
Yes,
hour you have to take out your personality.
yes.
Work
There
on
is
your
no
personality.
time, but from your yes, there is no time, but from your busy schedule, you will have to thief that time to make yourself productive.
Yeah, because our these days or this life not return again, because human being
Yes,
we are human beings, so this is the human tendency that we are not
yes.
working today, we have no good mood, so we will try again next day. No, we have to do
Actually,
today.
I would like to say, yes. Actually, I would like to say, if any girl, any woman wants to something new, just start doing work on yourself. Until unless you will not work on your improvement, you will not work to make yourself productive. Nobody will going to tell you. You will have to choose your path wisely. If you will not choose your path wisely, that means you will rush. You will always be rushed.
Yes, yes. Yeah, definitely. And let's catch up again, because this is the time to signing off my session. Only 10 minutes are left. So would you like to share something else, or I have to wind up the session? Tell me. You
As
ask
you mentioned
something?
that people feel nervousness. As you mentioned that when people speak, they feel nervousness. So I would suggest nervousness is nothing. You will have to take the initiative of speaking and don't skip any single day. If you really want to speak, you will have to give the specific time for your speaking practice. Many people they don't feel good, so they skip. If they feel good, they start to speak. If you have a strong burning desire, so there is nothing. You feel good or not. You will have to give that time. Until unless you will not give that time to your practice, to your room for improvement, nobody is going to tell you what is mandatory for you. So you will have to aware of it. This is the language. This is not a subject. When you have learned the language, you
Right.
have learned your native language. How? By surrounded, by
Okay.
listening.
Okay,
So this is the
okay,
language.
Poonam. So this is the time for signing off the session, and I'm very glad to meet you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for attending my session, and give me
Thank you so
this
much.
time from your busy schedule. So I'm very thankful to you, and we will meet very soon with the next topic and the great day ahead.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Okay,
so much
bye.
for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Bye
Thanks.
bye. Take care. Bye
Welcome,
bye.
welcome. Bye bye.